I'm Toby.
I'm Dorothy.
Hi, I'm Angelet.
And I'm Kimberly.
And I'm Jiro.
And we are Circuit!
So, pupunta kami din ng Paco Park. Yan, pupunta na kami Paco Park. Let's go!
Para sumakay kami guys, papuntang pa ako. Kasi tinatamad kami maglakad guys.
Tama.
Every journey begins with a single step. After our classes at Manuel G. Arroyo High School, we set out on a simple trip, not to travel far, but to discover a place where stories are made. Our destination is Circuit Makati, a vibrant lifestyle in Makati City, where creation, arts, dining, and open spaces come together.
Andun sila guys. Kita nyo ba? Ayan guys. Para may gagawin kami sa may Makati Circuit.
Makati Circuit, let's go! So ngayon, nandito na kami sa labas ng Baco Mall. Sasakay na kami sa kotse namin. Sa kotse namin. At seryoso kami sasakay kami dyan. Doris!
Anong pangalan daw? Ano ba yan? Nakiki-bluetooth ka pati.
Kotse natin to ngayon. Wala ka sa mga volume mo.
Along the way, we saw busy streets filled with commuters, vendors, and workers rushing to their destinations. And it reminded us that every city has its own rhythm and every person has a different story.
Guys. Guys, dito na kami!
Namin namin si Ilo para makompleto na kami. Yes.
Oh, yan na guys si Jiro! Ay naman si James Reid!
Circuit Makati is a mixed-use lifestyle destination developed by Ayala Land. It stands on the former site of the Santa Ana Park, a well-known horse racing track that operated for decades before it was redeveloped. Today, it has become a place where people gather for recreation, sports, dining, concerts, and community events. Its wide open spaces and modern facilities make it a popular destination for families, friends, and young people looking to relax within the city.
Bulaga. So guys, dito na sila. Ako yung mga Buka Doris, dali. Bakit po kayo madalas na gumagalap sa Makati City?
Kasi mas maganda yung niya, yung place. Tapos parang comfortable kami na dito ng pinagdaan. Lalo na nung second year college. Second year college kasi after school, dito na talaga kami. Parang pahinga na namin yung place. At saka kasi yung place is mas near siya sa amin. Kaya mas dito na rin kami dito na kami lumalayo.
Okay na yan.
Taba kasi ng kamay ko eh.
So guys, we're done to paint!
As we place our handprints on the canvas, we realized that every color represented a different personality. True, each hand was unique, Together, they created one meaningful artwork, just like our friendship.
Dito ko ulit.
Nabidyo ba?
Add more credit to get more tools.
Okay, close na po ang ating time zone. Nasa na po kayo.
Inside the small booth, every smile captured more than a photograph. It preserved a moment we knew would one day become a memory.
Okay na.
Guys, kasama namin sa
Angel Club.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Hi guys.
So, nandito kami sa KTV ng
Time zone. It's a wrap! Hindi ka ako? Kanya-kanya na daw. Namimili na sila ng kanta.
Para bang ang magaling kumanta. So, yan guys, nag-retouch kami ngayon. Hi,
Guys, ngayon naghahanap kami ng spot para may picturean, ganyan.
Circuit Makati welcomed people from different walks of life. Some were exercising, others were enjoying meals, while children played freely in the open spaces. The place reflected how public spaces can bring communities together.
To my love, took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons?
Anong masasabi mo sa place na to?
Maganda siya, tapos malawak. Maraming pupuntahan, at saka tawag dito. Talagang maganda siyang puntahan ng mga tao dahil dito marami kang tawag dito. Maraming activities na magagawa.
Thank you po. Anong activities na ginawa natin sa loob ng Makati Circuit yung pinaka-na-enjoy mo?
Siguro yung laging interview tayo ng mga tao dito na kung bakit sila nagpunta dito, kung anong gagawin nila, kung anong reason kung ba't sila nandito.
Anong mapapansin mo sa mga tao na kasalumuha mo dito sa loob ng Makati City?
Ang napansin ko sa mga taong nakasalamuha ko rito is marunong silang magbigay ng respeto, tsaka alam nila kung paano makisalamuha sa ibang tao.
Bakit sa tingin mo pinupuntahan siya ng mga tao?
Sa tingin ko po kasi dahil open parks po siya, open po siya sa lahat, lalo na sa mga pets friendly po siya. Tapos may mga aso and mga cats kami na pansin. Tapos marami talagang estudyante dito na namamasyal after class.
Bakit tayo gusto na napili yung place para mag-make ng memories?
Siguro para sa akin, kaya tayo sa inyo din yung napili natin kasi syempre, kami pwede pagpilian na palaro doon and also meron din KTV doon, pwede tayong magkantahan, may experience natin kung sino nga ba yung may mga bosses dito. Ganyan. Tapos yun nga, katulad tayo, meron tayong isang lalaking ka-members. Doon, nag-basketball tayo doon. Yun, maraming mga pwedeng laruin.
tears. Whether that